Hello, my name is Thomas Ricks. This is my presentation on clinical psychology. Okay, future job description and duties. There's a lot of things that you need to do for clinical psychology. Research is a must, and counseling. Depending on if you go for a PhD or a Psy, your tasks will differ. Publishing and consulting with other members of the psychology community is a must. Education. You'll obviously need to obtain a 4-year graduate degree, and then depending again on if you want a PhD or a Psy, you're going to be working between 4 to 7 years for a graduate program. In order to get into a graduate program, an internship is always necessary. Some graduate programs will let you in with a GPA of 3 point, but most require 3.5 or higher. And after all of your education, you usually have to finish a 1 to 2 year residency. For my 4-year plan, I'm just starting out. I've done a couple classes. I'm going to finish up my generals in this semester and hopefully the next. Do all the required courses. Work towards a useful minor. Network with professors. Complete an internship. Save up money for graduate school because it is very expensive, and graduate with my bachelor's after 4 years. This is me, regular Adonis. Just look at that pillar of masculinity. Woohoo. All joking aside, the reasons why I chose this career is I feel I can do well in this career. I might have some abilities that hamper me, but my talents, I do well with this sort of career and these sorts of tasks. Research and people and connections is what I live for. I find the career of psychology very intriguing, and I feel it would be very rewarding to be able to help people with their issues and possibly help an even wider amount of people with research. It will be good to know that I can do some good in the world. Comparing what ideas I already had with Chapter 13 and the values and abilities that would be useful for a profession in the psychology field. A lot of the things were the same. That's the mirroring. With my scores in week 2 with the personality and job ability tests, I do very well in social, artistic, and investigative situations. So, with all that and knowing myself, I love learning new information and being challenged in interesting ways. Last note I want to end on is main reason I wanted to be a psychologist is to help people, and wanting to help people is good, but it's kind of vague. And with all of that is my presentation. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.